twilight zone.
I like that breeze for sure.
Oh, yeah.
It's so nice to get in here. All right.
We have Chowking, Inasal,
Yeah.
Highland Coffee, Turk.
Yeah, I started doing a series of malls, and we are right now in a small mall. And if you were here more than 3 years ago, this place was not built.
This is really recent.
I think they opened it in 2017. So might be a mall that you haven't seen. It's a very, very small mall, but they do have all the basics and coffee shops and grocery stores, small little jewelry stores, supermarkets. There is a Western Union in here.
Actually, all services really.
Yeah. And you have
Optometry,
nutrition. Over here we have the pharmacy.
and then upstairs we have some other.
Right. So what's over there? Expressions. What is that? Let's walk over here. Expressions. It's like artifact store, school. It's almost like a little, what do you call it? Office supply store. They have all kinds of stuff in here. Expression, school, work, and life, right? That's what they call it. Right. So this mall is fairly small. It takes 2 minutes to walk across it. And Signal, which is a satellite cable television company, and then they have a little play place for kids, I guess.
Children
And Say More Market, which is a grocery store, right?
an arcade.
And then you have a fun arcade for kids back here. And I would assume that's for me and you.
Yes, exactly.
We can go and play on the toys.
The dance thing there, the video.
Oh yeah. Well, they do have karaoke in here too. You know, that's what a surprise. So this is the arcade, and
Every mall has one.
every mall has an arcade here, yeah, for kids. All right, so let's go upstairs and see. I know they have some days.
Zumba upstairs.
They have Zumba Thursdays or what?
I think so. I'm not sure on the date, but yes. I went by the other day and they were dancing it off.
Right. Yeah, I think it's Thursday night or Thursday evening, afternoon. Right.
This is your local everything.
This is where I can get a pair of reading glasses. But why buy them here when you walk across the street? There are 99 pesos here, right? Same thing as this. These are 50 pesos across the street.
Well, that's the thing about
Now you buy in a mall. That's why I tell everybody: you buy in a mall, you're paying 50% for the real estate.
You're paying the real estate.
And the convenience of shopping in an air-conditioned.
Sure, but then again, you know, you can save time, and sometimes time.
They
is
must have
money.
had some kind of event here too.
Well, that's where they have the Zumba here.
Oh yeah, that's right.
You guys stand up on stage and they blast on speakers with music, and you know, one girl jumping up and down.
Yeah,
This building is solid.
yeah, it got to be solid. I actually have some video footage on that. This is a pretty big, huh? Uno.
A little bit of everything.
They,
Toys,
yeah, they call it factory outlet, right? So it's a pretty big one. Oh yeah. And they do sell little electronics. Electronic. Hello, how are you? All right, so, but the store looked pretty empty today.
Well, yeah, it's Sunday and it's going to be whatever.
Is it Sunday today?
Yes, today's Sunday.
Oh, holy moly!
We have a furniture store there.
Yep.
And
So there.
this is a store I told you. It's got all the, you know, you can assemble your own computer.
Right.
All the components and all that stuff.
All right. So furniture store, and you have, they have shoppers trading.
Yes.
So what do they?
Here they have a section for tools, a section for home cooking, your pots, pans,
okay.
all that stuff. And then you have a section for housewares, a section for toys, a section for linens, office equipment, and here's a section for electronics. You can,
Oh yeah, they have
between everything that you have here and there, they've got cases, they've got all sorts of components. They have motherboards, cards, chips, everything you can think of to put together your own computer.
Right. Do they sell? Do they also sell? You know, that could be interesting because I need an audio cord.
They have all sorts of things here.
Yeah.
I
But what I need is so special that they probably don't have it. The cord I need
let's go find out.
is 3 foot and it costs $100.
Let's see. Oh, by the way, those massage chairs are wonderful.
Did you
For
try them?
20 pesos, yes, I have to admit I do it once a day, at least once a day.
You go here.
20 pesos, you sit down for 6 minutes of pure, unadulterated massage.
Pure abuse.
Exactly.
Yeah. Now they don't have it here, I guarantee.
Well, let's go and look. You want to find out?
So you want
All
to?
sorts of very interesting things.
Yeah. Well, they have Ethernet cables, but I need a 3.5 millimeter attenuation cord that attenuates sound 20 dB, and they don't have it.
More than likely,
The only store
they're
I
not
found
gonna-
it on. The only store I found it on is BH in New York.
What about Fry's Electronics in California?
Fry's don't have it. No. And it was $100, $129,
Very special.
and it cost $100 to get it here. So it's a $229 cable, 3 feet.
Just for that.
Yeah.
They've got some interesting things up there, you know. For
Or lights, yeah, tripods, and other things.
anyways,
Yeah.
this is Hazel's favorite store in the mall. She always comes in here. She always finds something to buy.
Yeah. All right. So, should we go down this way?
Yes, this is the way we can go down. I guess through the elevator or
And we can go down.
escalator.
Well, we could go down the escalator and go down to the garage and just show them parking area.
I'll take the elevator all the way down.
Yeah.
If we press that button, the door will open. It's the elevator.
Elevator is here.
Waiting for us. Basement.
All right. So let's go down to the parking area.
How does it do with lighting here?
I think it's doing pretty good. It looks pretty good.
Garage from them.
Yeah, so let's go home and have some lunch. Is she cooking the pasta? All right.
It's all ready to go, so I have to just turn on the
All right. So this is This is the parking area, yeah. So it's plenty of parking in here for everybody. So, but can you walk out of here? No.
I would walk through the mall because it's air conditioned.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, that picture does pretty good, doesn't it?
Yeah, looks really good.
In there.
Yes, this is a very convenient place because
It's
you come in, you park, you do your shopping, and you leave. It's got
Yeah.
a big parking lot.
yeah,
Nice little
and it's it's
well
noisy.
thought out.
It's noisy in here. But let's go. Let's go upstairs.
It's okay?
Were they waiting for somebody?
Yeah.
Yeah. All right.
Ground level. Here. Should be out by the arcade. Bye.
All right. So here. All right. So we'll wrap this one up, guys. That's it. That's City Mall in Dau. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And we'll see you soon again. Bye bye.
God bless you.